Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A03s for Verizon Prepaid. So the Galaxy A03s is a new budget phone for Verizon Prepaid. It's available now for $159.99. It's available in black, and you'll have 32 gigabytes of storage. So this is an update over the Galaxy A02s. So yeah, let's go ahead and check this phone out here. So this phone recently got released to Verizon Prepaid. So there's the phone right there. You guys have your teardrop notch for your front-facing camera, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. Very colorful wallpaper there. The left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot like somewhere like right here. Yeah, your micro SD and SIM card slots right here on the left side of the phone right here. On the back of the Galaxy A03s is your triple camera system along with your camera flash and Samsung logo. There's the back of it again. The right side has your power button and volume keys. There you go, power button right here and your volume keys above that. And your power button is also your fingerprint sensor as well. Alright. And there's the front of it again, so yeah. So the Galaxy A03s has 2.99 inches in width, 6.53 inches in height, 17.5 days of standby time, 41 hours of usage time. Like I said, you do get 3 cameras on the back, a 13 megapixel autofocus camera with f2.2 aperture lens with flash. Plus you do get a 2 megapixel macro camera with an f2.4 aperture lens and a 2 megapixel depth sensor with the f2.4 aperture portrait hyperlapse camera on the rear. The front camera I think is 13 megapixels I believe, so yeah. So it says here, get all the smartphone features you need in an easy-to-use device with the Samsung Galaxy A03s. If you're looking for awesome essentials like a long-lasting battery, high-quality camera, and HD display at an affordable price, this is the phone for you. Hours of power, hours of battery power. Always on the go, not to worry. Galaxy A03s has a 5,000. Galaxy A03s has the 5,000 mAh power you need. You can rely on to be prepared for whatever you get into. And 7.75 watt charging gives you perfect quick pick-me-up when you need it. Impressive processing power at an competitive price. The MediaTek Helio P35 octa-core processor was made with performance in mind, making everything from downloading and sharing to streaming a breeze. More memory to hold on to what matters most. Debating on what photos and videos to keep and what to delete. No need. Hold on to the photos, videos, apps, and music you love with Galaxy A03s. Built-in 30 gigabytes of memory. If that still isn't enough, you can easily store up to a full terabyte more by adding a micro SD card. 3 lenses for triple picture perfection. Galaxy A03s gives you a triple lens camera system with macro lens for close-ups and depth lens for portrait effects. Capture more of which matters from your social media ready food snaps to your precious family photos and videos. High def display to view more of what you want, whether you are chatting with family and friends or streaming and watching videos. The crystal clear HD plus infinity display makes everything look brilliant. Gets 6.5 inch of crisp visuals with impressive edge-to-edge viewing on Galaxy A03s. Simple, durable design. The Galaxy A03s simple, durable design gives you a sleek, easy-to-use phone you can count on, and side-mounted fingerprint sensor adds a personal touch to security. So your power button is your fingerprint sensor, so do keep that in mind. Alright. So the specs on here are decent. This is a budget phone, so you did get what you pay for here. The Galaxy A03s height is 6.53 inches, width 2.99 inches, depth 0.36 inches. Galaxy A03s weighs 7.13 ounces. USB Type-C, of course. Pretty much standard now. It's available in black. Screen size 6.5 inches. You will have a 60 Hz refresh rate, so nothing special about the refresh rate there. So your standard refresh rate there, 20:9 aspect ratio, HD plus TFT display, 17.5 days of standby time, 41 hours of usage time, 5,000 mAh battery. Battery's not removable, of course. That's pretty much standard now as well. Fast charging, yes. Wireless charging, no. Power share, no. Obviously, it's a budget phone. Front camera is a 5 megapixel camera with fixed focus f2.2 aperture. I thought it was a 13 megapixel camera, but yeah, oh well. Cameras on the back is a 13 megapixel camera with laser with autofocus f2.2 aperture, 2 megapixel macro camera, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Processor is the MediaTek Helio P35 octa-core processor, Android 11, 32 GB of RAM, 3 GB of RAM. That's DDR3 RAM. Expandable memory up to 1 TB, so take advantage of that. Mobile hotspot up to 10 devices. Fingerprint sensor is your fingerprint sensor is your power button. You also get facial recognition as well. Bluetooth 5.0, Google Assistant, of course. You do get 4G, of course. There is no 5G on this phone because this is a budget phone, so no 5G on here. To roll device, side ratings, Wi-Fi 8 to 11, ABGN and AC, dual band Wi-Fi. If you guys need help with your Galaxy A03s, Verizon has you covered with device support. Says that Verizon running support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So check it out if you guys need help with your phone. What comes in the box is a Samsung Galaxy A03s prepaid smartphone, pre-installed SIM card, USB-C to USB-C cable, SIM ejection pin, terms and conditions, and quick reference guide there. It probably comes with a charging brick. I don't know if it does. So yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A03s, now available on Verizon Prepaid. It's available now for $159.99. Full retail price, of course, no contracts, obviously. So if you guys are looking to get a budget phone or backup phone or whatever, the Galaxy A03s is worth taking a look at here. Specs on here are pretty decent for what it is, a budget phone. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.